Get a move on there, little doggy. Oh, reverse. We're going over the rocks. Seems like a bad idea. Hello. Do you want to go this way? Whoa. Gotta motor those feet. There you go. What's that? Toot toot. Can you make it beep beep? Toot toot. Where are you going? Uh-oh. You made it go with your mouth? That's pretty cool. Max, do you like your car? You do? That's good.
No.
Can your beep beep? Yeah. Can you say hi to Dad? Tell him to come over here. Are you on the go?